Looking to install games on your Apple Watch? It's super easy and you can turn your watch into a mini gaming device. In this video, I'll show you how to find and install games on your Apple Watch. So without any further delay, let's get started. First, make sure to connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data on your Apple Watch. Then go to the Apple Store on your Apple Watch. Now tap on the search icon from the top. Now search games. Here, you'll find a range of game genres optimized for the Apple Watch. Snake.io, chess, ping pong, or more. Then get to install the ping pong app. And start processing. And it's completed. Now go to the home screen. Scroll down to the bottom. Here is the ping pong app. Now tap and play the game. And that's it. This is the way to install games on your Apple Watch. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye.